Today we talk YouTube Partner Program, what you need to be doing to hit it in the fastest and easiest way possible. So for those who don't know, the YouTube Partner Program is the monetization program for creators on YouTube, allowing creators like myself and you to earn money on YouTube through advertising, memberships, or other revenue streams. But before you can start making money on YouTube, you have to hit the minimum requirements to hit the YouTube Partner Program, which this is typically what tends to push people away. It can be very daunting at first. Now here are the simple steps that you need to follow to hit the YouTube Partner Program. Create a YouTube channel and upload regularly. First off, you obviously have to have a YouTube channel, so making one would be very beneficial in your favor. Then you have to make sure you start staying consistent on your videos, whatever it is that you're trying to create for your channel. It could be shorts, it could be streams, it could be long form YouTube videos. Now this doesn't mean every day or 5 days a week. It just means consistency is key. At the end of the day, if you just commit to one YouTube video a week, that is still 52 YouTube videos in a year. That's 52 more videos you made this year compared to last year if you are just now making a YouTube channel. So making sure you're staying consistent and then improving on whatever content that you're making over time, improving on the quality, taking it more serious and learning what you need to do to communicate with your viewers, and also engaging in the community that you grow on YouTube will also help and aid to get to that YouTube Partner Program. And if you guys want to improve the quality of your videos, make sure you guys are heading over to biggie.co and grabbing one of my many LUT packs available. I'm gonna hook you viewers up today with 10% off any pack of your choice, or you can buy every single one and still get 10% off. Just simply visit biggie.co, snag any pack that you want, and then use YPP for the YouTube Partner Program at checkout. Thank you for the support. Now get to creating. Next up, follow the community guidelines. While a lot of creators don't bring this part up, it's super important that you follow the community guidelines on YouTube to be able to hit the YouTube Partner Program. This includes avoiding copyrighted material, violence, explicit content, and hate speech. So no, you don't want to try to hack the YouTube Partner Program by downloading a whole bunch of fighting shorts off of TikTok to just try to get the channel to go viral and then switch it up later. Next step is building your audience. Focus on building an audience by creating content that you genuinely enjoy and love. A lot of creators nowadays think this is backwards. They think first you need to get the followers and then you'll just kind of figure it out from there. But at the end of the day, you're trying to build a community on YouTube. And the best way to build a community is by communicating something that you're into with other people. So that way you're kind of creating a conversation through the content that you're making. For example, I'm really into YouTube. I'm really into helping other creators on YouTube. I'm creating a conversation today on giving you guys some tips about the YouTube Partner Program, and then you guys are interested because this is a clear topic that you want to learn about or improve on, or it's just interesting to you. So we're having a conversation here, and it all stems from the fact that I really do enjoy this. You can build your audience on YouTube by engaging more in the comments and live streams, and even sharing your YouTube channel on other social medias. Nowadays, it almost seems easier than ever to grow your audience on YouTube with live streams and YouTube Shorts being implemented on the channel. For example, even if you're not a gaming streamer, maybe you make videos about photography, just going live once a week and talking to the other photographers on your channel is super engaging. That's why it is so important to make content around something that you're genuinely into so you can make a real conversation with your audience. You have to understand, at the end of the day, YouTube will push your video if you can get people to click on your video, stay, watch, and interact with your video. So having a real authentic experience with your viewers will help with that so much. Now, the next big thing is you want to reach the minimum subscriber and watch time requirement. So in order to hit the YouTube Partner Program on YouTube, you need to have 1,000 subscribers on your channel with either 4,000 hours of watch time in a year on your channel or 10 million views within 90 days on YouTube Shorts. This may seem really daunting at first, and honestly, I blame Twitch for this. Twitch has made the idea of Twitch affiliate, the introduction into making revenue on that platform, so easy that everybody thinks that every platform in the world is just easy to be monetized on. But in reality, even to get monetized on Instagram, it takes time. So while it may seem challenging at first, if you actually take a step back and look at it, one 60,000 viewed YouTube video could get you 1,000 subscribers and your 4,000 hours of watch time. Just one well-produced video that would get 60,000 views, or 10,000 viewed videos, or 6,000 viewed videos. The point being, if you follow my previous steps, if you're really making content around something that you're engaged with, something that you're into, and just even those handful of videos do well, you could realistically hit the YouTube Partner Program in a matter of no time. In most cases, the issue that I actually see when people are trying to move from Twitch or Facebook and they're trying to get into the YouTube Partner Program here on YouTube is they're not really making stuff around what excites them, what makes them happy. They're more making content around what they think they need to make content. They've been streaming Call of Duty for the last 3 years on Twitch, and they think they have to be a Call of Duty streamer and content creator, but they're not actually passionate about it. They've just been influenced by the fact that they watched another creator become successful from it, so they think they need to follow the steps to do the same. Where in all reality, maybe for the last 10 years, they've been playing baseball and they're super into that and they know every single player in the game. Maybe making that connection would be more authentic and would build a better audience faster. Or you take a fellow friend of mine, the Dentist, who is a dentist and combined his passion for gaming and content creating over the last few years and has absolutely blown up over all platforms. The repetitive point being, when you create a real audience on here by having a real conversation, these requirements will get hit in no time. And for anybody that doesn't understand and thinks that these requirements are daunting, you have to understand that these requirements are here to help ensure that only active and high quality creators are getting monetized for their videos. If you're working really hard on all your stuff and ad revenue gets split between all creators on the platform and eyes and watch time, don't you think you would want to be taken a little bit more serious because you actually put time and effort into your channel over somebody who just wants to come here and start making money for no reason because they feel like they're owed it to them? No, you should work for it. You should get that reward for putting time and effort into creating something special here. Now with the YouTube Partner Program, once you hit these steps, you need to enable monetization on your channel. Once you've met the minimum requirements, you can automatically enable monetization on your channel. You go to your monetization tab in your channel settings, you hit enable, and then you start making money on YouTube. I will say if you're a streamer and you're trying to get those YouTube memberships, they do take a couple days to process and go through, so don't worry. The next big step, connect your AdSense account. So this is the confusing thing. To receive payments from YouTube, you need to have a AdSense account and have that AdSense account connected to your YouTube channel. AdSense is Google's advertising program and is the primary way for you to gain revenue from YouTube. Then finally, you want to optimize your videos for monetization. To get the most out of monetization, it's important that you optimize your videos for advertising. This includes a clear call to action, making sure you avoid long ad-breaking content, and making sure your videos meet the advertiser-friendly guidelines on YouTube. And that's it. If you follow these steps that I put for you today in the order that I mentioned, by creating the content first, figuring out what you actually enjoy, then build your audience, and then you worry about the requirements, you will be hitting the YouTube Partner Program faster than you realize and be making money on YouTube. Just remember to be patient and stay consistent and always keep your audience in mind. But the biggest tip, make sure you enjoy the content that you're making, because if you can't enjoy it, how do you expect somebody else to enjoy it?